Welcome to Rev. I'm Hannah, and today I'll be your guide to unlocking the full potential of your content with our caption services. So, if you didn't already know, Rev offers different types of caption services depending on what your needs are. And today we'll be focused on how to order captions that are not only ADA compliant, but FCC compliant as well. This is something that's crucial for distribution across major streaming platforms. So, if you're looking to submit your content to film festivals, major video players, or any sort of broadcast platform, you're in the right place. From the dropdown, select Place New Order and click Human Caption. This is where you have the option to customize your order before it's sent off to our captioners. And it's really easy if you want to add different cuts of your film here to add more files as well. But I've gone ahead and uploaded my film, and I want to show you premium captions. These are Rev's highest quality caption solution. So they include not only speaker names, but also things like atmospherics, vertical caption placement. And when you select premium captions, these are sent to Rev's top 5% of captioners. We call them Revers. They're amazing. So premium captions is what I need for this film. I'm also short on time, so I want to select rush my order. And this will return your order up to 5 times faster. And checking out is really easy. So you have the option to add a credit or debit card or pay with PayPal. I also love this option for adding my team. So if I'm working on this project with someone, they'll be notified as soon as my order is ready. And let's go ahead and click Order Captions. Order confirmation page, you also have the option, like we talked about, to add any sort of supplementary resources. So I definitely would love for you to check out the glossary. This is a way to add any industry or niche terms. If there's unique spelling, be sure to enter those terms here for your film. You also have the option to add a script. So this is great so that the Rever has the exact spelling, any key context that may help them with your caption file. So I'll go ahead and upload the script. And last but not least, you also have the option to add speaker names. So for example, one of my characters is Matt with 1 T, and I want to make sure that that's spelled correctly throughout the caption. So I'm going to go ahead and add his name here and click apply. And with that, now I want to show you what this looks like. You can easily push this video to different platforms that Rev is integrated with, like Vimeo. You also have the option to get a shareable link so that I can send this to a colleague and they can easily get into this file and make edits if they need to. I also have the option to download this in any major format. And with that, I want to say thank you for taking the time to walk through Rev's caption services. I hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned for more product demos. Thanks so much.